Vechain holders do this mistake very highly, my friends. To Vechain holder starting selling now without any research. So this is very big mistake for Vechain holder, my friend. If you do this mistake, then absolutely you are completely and the loss. This time is Vechain is completely face down, my friend. You can see here the last days also, and this current situation is also very badly face down. So what we do in this current situation, very critical situation, sell, hold or buy, what we do. I also share my opinion in this video, and this is the live price prediction to upcoming days, they're moving up or fails down. And what I do, what my final advice, my friend, for all of you. So this is selling time, holding time or buying time. Before I start this video, I request you, my friends, to subscribe this channel. This is good option for you to subscribe this channel, because this channel guide you freely. No, this is not need your money, my friends. Please, you just subscribe this channel. I freely recommend you, my friend. Freely I share my opinion and my just 2-minute video. So please, if you want to subscribe this channel, definitely most welcome. Subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video, please. Okay, come to the point, my friend. You can see here in the last 7 days, change occur as in minus 13.52% fails down. Can you understand what I tell you, my friend? Please, if you understand, tell me in a comment box. I understand your language. Okay, a lot of holders tell me I cannot understand your language. So first of all, my friend, my English is weak because I am not from America, UK, okay, etc. I am from Pakistan. Exactly, a lot of holders ask me this question too. Where are you from? So I am from Pakistan, but definitely, my friend, I have a lot of experience, 3-year experience. Therefore, I want to, my friend, share my opinion and my brother to be safe from loss. So come to the point. Don't waste time, my friends. Come to the point. This time, my friend, you can see here, I told you I use one formula from last 3 years, my friend, and I cannot lose at any time, my friend. I remember this to after a fails, they take a jump. I remember this. If you remember this, I hope you cannot lose. You can see here, after this fails, my friends, they take a jump. After this jump, they fails down. After this fails, they take a jump. After this jump, my friends, they fails down. So what you say? This is the circulation? Yes. Yes, my friends, this is the exactly circulation. After a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. Every coin is moving at this style, my friend. So when that fails down, my friends, then all people selling now, but I buy it. This is my formula, my friend. I buy it. I firstly use this tip, my friend. I buy it when they fails down. You can see here, after at this point, I buy it absolutely, my friend. And if the price is come to this point, absolutely, my friend, the price is come to this point, then they starting fails down, then I decide to this is good time to I sell it. So I sell it immediately, my friend, and they give me very good profit. Therefore, I am today, alhamdulillah, very rich man. I have no need for more money, my friend, alhamdulillah. But let's see, my friend, I already I'm also this time, the current time, my friend, I am a 11 crypto coins, my friend, holder. So therefore, a lot of coins give me at the end of this month very good profit, and also lost, my friend, some holder, some coin, my friend. So please, Vechain holder, understand this is not a selling time. You can see here they fails down. So I think this is not a selling. If you start selling, then they are more moving fails down more. So if you start buying, then exactly the going up like a rocket, my friend. So if their price is moving up, then absolutely you immediately sell it. Then I hope they give you very good profit. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming days after this fails, they take a very high jump. So the good time is coming soon. Please don't sell it. Don't do this mistake. You sell it at the end of this month. Please be safe from more loss. Don't sell it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. Just 2 days wait more. I hope they give you very good profit. Otherwise, don't sell it. Thank you so much, my friend. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.